Hi everyone and welcome to Germany for Student channel. Today is the fourth lesson of A2 level of German language course, and today we are going to talk about the combination of prepositions with the articles. You might have seen these combinations in different German sentences. Today we will see which prepositions can be combined with articles, and if we combine these prepositions with the articles, what will be the resultant form of these combinations and how we can use these. So let's see what prepositions can be combined with which articles and what will be the resultant form of these combinations. First example is of preposition un, which is a two-way preposition, which means that it can behave like accusative or it can behave like dative. If un preposition behave like dative, and after the use of this un preposition we have a masculine or a neuter noun, then the article of masculine or the neuter noun will be dem. And if we combine this preposition un with the definite article dem, then the resultant form is Let's look at the next example. Next preposition is in, which is also a two-way preposition which can act like accusative in certain situations and act like dative in other situations. If in preposition acts like accusative, and after this in preposition we have a neuter noun which has definite article thus in accusative case, then we can combine this in and thus into ins, and ins will replace in thus. Let's look at the next example. Next example is again of preposition in. In this example, I have taken in dative form, and we know that the definite article for a masculine and neuter noun in German language dative case is dem. Therefore, if we have any masculine or neuter noun that comes after in preposition, then we can use the short form im instead of in dem. Let's look at the next example, which is su. Su preposition is a dative preposition, and in all scenarios it will act like dative. If we use any masculine or neuter noun after su preposition, these masculine or neuter nouns have definite article dem. So instead of using su dem, we can simply use the short form, which is sum. Next example is again of su preposition. If we use su preposition and after that we use some feminine noun, then the article of feminine noun will be der in case of dative, and instead of using su der, we can simply use sur. Next example is of preposition auf. Auf is a two-way preposition. If this auf preposition acts like accusative and the noun after this auf preposition is neuter, then we can use aufs instead of auf thus. Next example is of preposition by. By is a dative preposition, and if we have any masculine or neuter noun after by preposition, these masculine or neuter nouns have definite article dem in dative case. Therefore, we can use beim instead of using by dem. So beim is the short form of by dem. Last example is of preposition von. Von is also a dative preposition, and if we have any masculine or neuter noun after the use of this von preposition, then we can use short form vom instead of von dem. Now let's look at the examples in which situations we can use these short forms. We know that an dem can be replaced with simply The first example is am Montag. Ich komme am Montag zurück. I come back on Monday. Am Bahnhof. Ich bin am Bahnhof. I am at railway station. Am Wochenende. Ich arbeite am Wochenende. I work at weekend. Next example is of in dem. and the short form of in dem is im. Ich bin im Restaurant. I am at a restaurant. Im Winter gibt es viel Schnee. In winter there is lot of snow. Im Juli es gibt viel Sonne im Juli. There is lot of sun in July. Next example is of in thus, and the short form is ins Wasser, ins Büro, ins Kino. Ich gehe ins Kino. I go to the cinema. Next example is zu der. The short form is zur Arbeit, zur Schule, zur Uni. Ich gehe zur Uni. I go to the university. Zu dem. The short form is zum Essen. Ich gehe zum Essen. I go for the food. Zum Arzt. Ich gehe zum Arzt. I go to the doctor. Ich gehe zum Bahnhof. I go to the railway station. Bei dem. The short form is beim. Ich bin beim Arzt. I am with the doctor. Beim Essen. Trinken ist nicht gut beim Essen. It's not good to drink while eating. Beim Friseur. Ich bin beim Friseur. I am with the hairdresser. Auf das. The short form will be aufs Dach, aufs Auto, aufs Bett. Von dem. The short form is vom Zentrum. Kommt vom Zentrum. He comes from the center or from the city center. Vom Bahnhof. Kommt vom Bahnhof. He comes from the railway station. So these are the combinations of prepositions and articles. We have seen which prepositions can be combined with the articles to form short forms and how we can use these short forms in different situations. I hope the topic is clear to you. If you have any questions, put them in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe my channel so that you get updates on the upcoming videos. Thank you. Bye.